All right, today we're going to bring a nightstand, and this has a power supply, also USB, so you could charge any device that you have. This is perfect, easy to install. Let's put it together and see how it looks. And this is perfect for your when you're right in your bed. You can put your alarm, your pictures, you can have your wallet, your keys in here. And look at this, it has a special little drawer here. It's magnetic too, and it comes with the actual power on the top. You could plug in different devices. You could charge your phones and so forth. Now, this part is a little metal here, has a magnet, and the whole setup took me about 20 minutes to put together. If you guys can see, we do have a lamp in here, picture frame. You got plenty of room to put in your phone to charge. All right, so you're gonna get two plugs, two USB type A's. These are perfect to charge two different devices. Even alarms now come with type A. Plenty of power, so for your lamps or your alarms.